Hello, an update on the earthquake in Japan and the tsunami in California. Well, the earthquake in Japan, don't know how many people died, but a lot more than I said before, if I said anything before, but a lot more people died and everything, and the tsunami in California and Hawaii damaged boats and stuff like that. And one guy got swept out to sea. They're looking for him now. And that's what the news said. And it's very sad and very tragic. So please pray for the people affected by the tsunami and the earthquake. Okay? Thank you. Yep. Okay, I'm just upset about it. But, something is going on in the world, I think. There's been, more earthquakes in places they didn't have earthquakes in a long time. So, just be prepared. Okay, talk to you later and have a great day. Bye.